we're unboxing some urbanears alby wireless earphones, and yeah, so they're a budget model. These
And
are
they look
budget
like
headsets, priced at around £20, and yeah, they look like AirPods, like you said, yeah. So as soon as you open it, you're greeted with the case and just the box in general. I like it. This is what these guys are aiming for now. Normal brands. Check that out in a second. So, and then we have the manual. So we got the manual here because, you know, who doesn't love the manual? User guide and all that. And, you know, legal safety stuff. That's it. In here we have. Don't think there's anything in here. Is there anything in here? Wait.
Maybe
Oh, there is.
earpieces.
Trying to disguise the stuff away from us. Yeah. I was thinking they would, because this brand usually does that. They got these, all those, and the USB cable. Yeah. Moving on, we have the case. It's the main piece, and obviously you have the charging port there, which is the newer ones, Type C. So that's an improvement for fast charging, isn't it?
Yeah. And
in the case, we have a sleek kind of design.
Oh wow,
got
very nice.
The urbanears, yeah. You can feel, you know, they have those kind of wireless charging, all that, you know, and yeah. Very shiny and nice. Good design features, isn't it? Yeah. It comes with 15 hours of playtime, 3 hours in single charge, all that. With 3 hours of single charge, and yeah, microphone and everything.